Under the desktop fixed mount CPU holder. Adjusts vertically from 13 to 22. Rated up to £60. Includes anti-slip pads and mounting hardware. Steel construction with durable powder coat finish. Everyone needs some stability in their lives. Mounting the Ergo-Comfort CPU holder under the desktop keeps it readily accessible. The holder adjusts vertically from 13 to 22 in 1 increments and from 5 1/4 to 9 wide. The anti-slip pads keep the CPU in place, preventing it from sliding out of position. Rated up to £60. Steel construction with durable powder coat finish. Mounting hardware included. Top reviews from the United States. Great concept. I had my PC on a rolling stand under the desk that always caught the floor mat when I had to bring it forward. This should be more dust-free as well. I particularly like the fact it swivels to allow access to the rear. My knees are shot, so I can no longer crawl under my desk. It is heavy though, particularly with the PC added. You will need a strong desktop to which to mount it. My only recommendation is for the manufacturer. It needs a template so that one can measure clearance for the swivel when extended. I had our carpenter move it farther forward, double holes in the underside of the desk. My only negative is the price, but it was worth it. I did check the reviews for some of the vendors who advertise at the bottom of Amazon's webpage, not selling on Amazon. Prices were better, but the reviews reservice were terrible. I opted to spend a bit more money and play safe.